So hey guys, welcome back to channel. Hope you're doing absolutely fine. You're watching Lancelot Technology YouTube channel. So here we upload videos on job fair, job related queries and other stuffs. So today we are going to talk about the best website to learn and code. So IT field employees can learn from this website, and the freshers who are going to join IT or their dreams to join MNCs like Infosys, Wipro, TCS and other MNCs companies, so they can learn coding from here. We have multiple languages and other technologies to learn in this website. This is a free website, so we are going to see which is the website is this. So first just click on your Chrome and go to Google. So in Google you can click W3 School. Once you click W3 School, as you can see, this website opens. We have multiple search engines, so you can click this W3 School online web tutorials. So as you can see, this is the interface of W3 School. You can see the logo of W3 School, tutorial, reference, exercise and sign up. You don't need any sign up or create any website, create anything, because this is a full complete free course, as you can see. So from starting, as you can see, the basics of anything HTML, then we come CSS. So HTML is nothing but the front end part, the structure part, and the CSS is the structure which can be designed, the user interface type, so front end type. And we have JavaScript for front end and back end also. So we have Python, we have SQL, we have PHP, jQuery, Java, C++, W3.css, Bootstrap. This is a framework, guys. Bootstrap is a front-end framework, as you know. C, C#, R, Kotlin, Node.js, React, JSON, AngularJS, MySQL, XML, SAS, Icon, RWD, Graphics, SVG, Canvas, Raspberry Pi, Cybersecurity, Colors, JIT, Matplotlib, and NumPy. These are Python libraries. Panda, SciPy, ASP, Accessibility, AppML, Go, TypeScript, Django. This is the Python's framework. MongoDB is a SQL, NoSQL database, statistics, data science, type speed, Excel, Google Sheet, machine learning and artificial intelligence. These are all the features which is given in this website, so you can learn and you can achieve what you want to achieve and get a dream job. So this is all about this website. From as we can see, so let's click the learn Python tutorial. So as we can see, the interface same as, but here we have HTML, CSS, JavaScript. As you can switch over the programs. So Python home, so you have to learn how to print hello world. You can try it yourself also. You can see print hello world. I can change as words. So let's run what happened. So it's taking time. So as you can see, hello world. So you can try and test here and learn coding. So you can learn the theory part, and you can also try multiple programming technique in this thing. So you can go, for example, data types. What are the data types in Python? Text type, str, int, float, string, like that. It's given everything here. You can learn everything related to Python or JavaScript or SQL. Like this you can learn from this website. This is the best website for free. You can learn in the W3 School related to the to get a job based on your skills. So you can try for artificial intelligence, machine learning, or front-end development or back-end development using Python or JavaScript or Java, using database or using frameworks. And you can learn database also using SQL or NoSQL, MongoDB. So these are all the stuffs you have to learn to get an IT job. So all about this, and I hope this video may help you and your friends. So I think you will share this video to your friends, that they can also learn free this all features or these all technologies that may help to get them job. So hope this video helped you. So I think you will like this video and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe this channel so you get more related this type of video. So meet you in the next video. Till then, bye guys. Be happy.